What made you who you are today?
I like to think outside the box and ask questions, why or why not. We're using the structure of how the government works, Congress works. It's like over 200 years old, and we're using something way back then to where we didn't have AI. They didn't have cars back then. But we're using these things to still run the country. Overall, I think we need a new way of doing things. Every election, there's a lot of fraud going on, and we're seeing that the system doesn't work. And I think that we need a new vetting system, to be honest, altogether.